Is Russel Brunson affiliate marketing bootcamp training worth $7 per month or even $97 per month? In my opinion, I think it is, because to me, it is a breath of fresh air from the affiliate marketing, programs I have done, in years past, and even some that I'm doing now, because it seems like most of the affiliate programs that I'm a part of now, they want you to sponsor people, and you call people and you text people and this, that, and other. It almost feel like network marketing to me, And even when you go out of your way to help, the people, they still don't stick with it. I was in TCP years ago, and I would go in and actually build the funnels for people, create the funnel, give them my funnel, set up their email, everything that they needed in order to, be successful. The only thing they had to do was run traffic. They could have purchased solo ads. They could have did article marketing. They could have did, Facebook ads, Facebook organic marketing, Instagram, any of that. But they chose to quit. And even now, in one of the programs that I'm in now, I would go in and build their funnels, go into their get response account, set up all of the emails, connect everything for them, their domain name, and then they would ghost me. They would just get gone in for a month, and they were gone. And so you can do all you can, to help people, but if they don't want to do it, then they're not going to do it. So it's almost like I'm having to sponsor people, to come into the program with me. And I'm kind of burnt out with that. I don't want to feel like I'm sponsoring anybody. I'm looking for people who are willing to take initiative and come in and do affiliate marketing with this training that is given to you. And Russel Brunson has changed the game, with this one right here, that he has in this program. There are 6 income streams that you can earn from. Now, with the $7 per month, you earn 40% commissions across the board in the the system. But for the $97 one time, that can cancel out the monthly fee. But you also have an opportunity to become what is called a super affiliate, where you can earn 100% commissions across the board. Okay, so you have that option. And this system, in my opinion, has changed the game. It's strictly, in my opinion, for someone who really wants to learn affiliate marketing the right way. It's not going to be fast, because the training or the modules or the days, once you go through one module, you wait 24 hours before the next one, because they want you to implement what it is that you have learned. They want you to actually take action. So it's not one of those programs, like some of the other ones that I'm even in right now, where they have all the training videos that you can just get caught up in watching the training, and never doing anything. You can always be learning, but if you're never implementing and taking action on what it is that you're learning, then you're never going to get anywhere. And so even with that, with so many videos, it can be overwhelming. Okay. And then people will quit on you, but it's not that way with this system right here. It's not that way with this system right here, simply because if you follow the steps, then you can be successful. So yes, it's worth every bit of $7 per month and still earn 40% commission, or even $97, okay, one time, okay, and you still earn on 6 different income streams, okay? And if you want to earn 100% commission, you're able to do that as well. So let me take you through the back office and have a look at that. And then I'm just going to show you what it is that I'm talking about, okay? So let's go. All right, so here we are in the back office of Affiliate Bootcamp. Now, I'm all the way down here on mission 9, day number 9, getting your first 100 clicks. I have done everything up through here, okay? All of that. So let me show you the income streams that you can actually earn from within here. So you're going to have the Affiliate Bootcamp, ClickFunnels, Offer Labs, Secret of Success 1357 Club, Udemy, and WAP. Now that's 7, but the Secret of Success and the Secret of Success Affiliate Club, they're kind of tied in together, because you're going to create your account here, but you're going to get a separate ID for each one of these. Okay, so you have access to that as well. So These are the 6 income streams that you're going to get access to inside of this system. So if you come back over here to the start here, you're going to go with partner with Russell. This is the first one. You know, he's just going to introduce you into this and how everything works within the system. Then you're going to go through becoming an entrepreneur. You know, all of the videos here, all of that right there. The affiliate bootcamp, all of these videos are here. You can just go to the next step, to the next step. These are not long videos. I mean, they're bite-sized chunks. And understand what I said, you know, right here. Once you go through this one, you're going to complete it. It's not going to open up again until 24 hours later. So what I like to do is early in the morning, okay, I go through the training because I want to start on it the next morning, okay? Not if you start on it the next morning, then you skip a day and you start at 12, then you got to wait to 12 the next day. So you see how that works. So I do mine early in the morning, my training. So each one of them are different times, but you can get through it. But you'll know in the morning that you need to start going through the next training, which is 24 hours. But here's the thing, while you're waiting, after you have done that, this particular day, then you start actually doing what they are telling you to do, okay? Just do that. That's the only thing you have to do, okay? We have the setting up your profit centers. All of that right there is going to show you how to do that all the way down through here. You see we have 7, 8, and 9 here. These are some profit centers that you can get access to, you know, if you decide to become a super affiliate. Short links. It's going to talk about short links and all that stuff, creating your custom domain, set up your link, profit center, short link, defining your why, your bridge funnels. All of the videos is going to walk you through everything down through here. You just go through each step. This is step by step, easy as can be. And you don't have to worry about, you know, I'm not saying don't support your people. You know, if somebody have a question, yes, answer the question for you, you know, for them. But you don't have to hold their hand. You don't have to go in and set things up for them, you know, because these videos show them step by step how to do all of this. And they have to be willing to take the initiative to do it. Your email list, okay? All of that, autoresponder, creating your email list, connecting opt-in, creating the workflow. All of this is done inside of ClickFunnels. You're going to get access to that as well. And then you're done for your emails. You're going to get done for your emails. All of that is going to be for you. Everything you're going to have right there in that. There are some video trainings. Let me see if I can refresh this. Maybe it'll. There we go. So there the videos are. Each one of them have the video and all of that stuff right there. So you have access to that. And then this one right here, getting your first 100 clicks. This is going to tell you how to start getting traffic, okay? As soon as you get everything set up, which is, you know, if you're in a big hurry and you're just looking to make money online, this may not be for you. If you're in a quick hurry to make money online, this is not for you. If you're not willing to go through the training, follow it step by step, this is not for you, okay? This is to make you a good affiliate, because once you become a good affiliate, or a better affiliate, then you can actually promote anything, okay? And they have several different products in here that you can promote. But now, what really makes this worth $7 per month or $97 one time? This right here, okay? This right here, this training inside of this community, okay? You don't have access to everything in here, courses, answers, everything you need. You can come over here and share your wins. You can see people first solo ad, battling resistance, my earlier win, just finished my 100 clicks, wins, love short link, weekend win, all of it. People are having success with this system, okay? But what makes this worth $7 per month, what makes this worth $97 one time, is this training right here. This training alone is I don't even know how to put a value on it to say what it's even worth, because it's just that valuable. Doug takes you through some stuff that would cost you money otherwise, but it's being taught to you free inside of this group right here. This bonus, an hour and 12 minutes. These are not little short training. These are something you need to take notes on and start implementing, okay? Your ideal customer avatar. This is where a lot of people make a mistake because they don't know who they're marketing to. They're trying to market to everybody, so they're marketing to nobody. But he shows you how to get your ideal customer avatar, okay? And then this training here, bridge pay, how to put bonuses together so you can start, getting people joining you versus joining somebody else, because you have some awesome bonuses that complements the actual affiliate boot camp. So hour and 41 minutes. Let's go back. An hour 32 minutes. These trainings here are in depth. Everything you need right here. And he does these trainings every week. Once again, this is the community that you're going to be a part of. Everything you need right here. So yes, Russel Brunson Affiliate Marketing Bootcamp training is worth $7 per month or $97 one time. The thing about it is, are you willing to do what you have to do in order to make it work? Okay. Put on the blinders, focus on this for the rest of the year. Just focus on this. Forget anything else that's coming to your email, any other YouTube videos that you're watching, anything you see on social media. Focus on this. Follow the step. Russel Brunson is showing you what you need to do. The only thing you have to be willing to do is do it. And if you're willing to do that, I want you to click the link in the description. You're going to come to this page right here with a video of me on here. Okay, explain a little bit about it. You already know because you're watching this video. Everything you're going to get, excuse me, from Russel Brunson from the inside of the actual community, or the actual training, and then what you're going to get from me. Okay, everything: fast start checklist, expanded guide, shiny object detox plan. Oh, that one right there, that helped me. Beginner's traffic playbook, 7-day email sequence, expanded guide, content swipe file, social and ad copy, social media strategy guide, mindset, motivation, and stay the course. Now, I'm going to show you something that's going to blow your mind right quick. You like, I don't know who my ideal customer is, Richard. I don't know. Well, we give you a tool that's inside of here. It's a tool that you're going to get inside of here called the Affiliate Bootcamp Drill Sergeant, that's going to help you do everything that you need to do to get content for social posts, YouTube videos, Instagram. It makes no difference. It's going to help you do that. Okay. So there's no excuse for all of that. You just need to have your mission statement and know who your ideal customer is. Week 2 slide. Business Clarity Breakthrough GPT. That's another tool that you're going to get as well in there. Now, getting back to joining, come to this page, click this button right here. When you're ready, it's going to pop up, put your name and email in. It's going to take you to this page right here, okay? Once you come to this page, watch this video by Russel explaining how everything works. Click to join the Affiliate Bootcamp. If you want to read the rest of the page, do so. But I highly recommend that you watch this video and let Russel explain to you everything that you're going to get. And then you will be ready to go. So yes, it's worth it. But how much is it worth to you not to do it? Okay. How many more programs are you going to join? How many more affiliate programs are you going to join, before you make a decision? Okay. So decide right now by clicking that link in the description, enter your information, and I will see you on the inside of the Affiliate Bootcamp. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions. Look forward to working with you. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.